Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a must-have PC tools, the CPU-Z. So this is the system information software that you can download for free. So in CPU-Z is a freeware that gathers information on some of the main devices of your system, like a processor, mainboard, memory type, real-time measurement. And also the CPU-Z is fully supported on Windows 11, and I'm using Windows 10 right now, so you can download it for free. The setup one, the RAR or set or zip. This is the Chinese version, of course, and also this is the custom version. But for new user, I recommend you to download the classic version first, so you can download it. After you download, you can install and open the CPU-Z by CPUID.com. So gathering information, and this is the CPU-Z. As you can see, I'm using AMD Ryzen 3, the generation 3, that have a built up or built in graphic 2200G 3200G with codename Picasso here, that have a Vega 8 graphic. This is my CPU. This is the mainboard, Chinese mainboard by Colorful, with the BIOS American Megatrend. My memory 16 gigabytes, dual channel here, and this is the RAM frequency, so you can learn about this RAM frequency. Even you can save this report, save your BIOS, save your or you can check driver updates here. This is the speed, my RAM. This is the graphic, like clock and memory and size, 2 gigabytes. You can share for RAM, add 2 gigabytes more. You can do it on a BIOS, of course. And this is the test bench. Here you can stress CPU bench, CPU to test your CPU temperature, CPU a clock, and also this is the references. And this is the latest version of CPU-Z. So CPU-Z is freeware on the CPUID software development kit. So this is my Windows version, Microsoft Windows 10, the latest version 22H2 with DirectX 12. So this is must have to identify your CPU. So feel free to download. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click that button below. See you in the next video.